To my boy channel, man. For the love of guns, man. No cap, man. I need my brother pop out, man. For real, man. No cap, man. Y'all need to go show love to my boy for the love of gun channel, y'all. No cap. You did? No cap, man. I can hear it, Austin. You know, come on, my bro, man. No cap. You popping out on you, boy, now, man. No cap, man. Man, say, y'all. No cap, man. I go holler at my boy, man. No, keep that. Man, that's my boy. For the love of God, y'all, go for the no cap, y'all. You did. So anybody subscribe to my channel, y'all go holler at my bro channel for the love of God. Say y'all. Say y'all represent. We ain't playing a game. All my bros, y'all. Say, I'm gonna get y'all on this channel. We ain't cook no love. Say, they did 20K good for me. I ain't greedy. I ain't trying to worry about getting all this up. No, no. I'm good at that channel with that 20K. If I don't drop nothing else and they keep going up, I ain't tripping. I might drop a little here and there, but right now, I'm worried about this channel right now, y'all. I'm gonna keep it popping though. But I'm not say it's going down on this channel. I be trying to tell y'all all these bandwagons and shit. I keep that bitch 100, y'all. No cap. Shit on me, I shit on you back. You did. I think my bro got that GS compact, man. For the love of guns, y'all. I think my bro just caught that bad boy, man. I don't know what's going on, man. Yeah, my boy just got there. What's this one? Man, my boy got that. Man, I swear I just saw this boy at that GS. This right there. Man, well, for the love of God, my bro done got that GS compact too. I think that's the compact. My, my boy, okay, bro. Hey, my bro, what's up with it? Oh, we ain't playing no game. I just look like this and say, y'all, when I to my Taurus gang, if you rockin' with Taurus gang, say y'all, boy, so my boy got that business. Nice. For real, y'all, say y'all. I'm trying to see if that's a like mine. I think they are brother too. Bro, that very nice. Hell yeah, bro. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Say y'all, represent y'all change, y'all. Pop out, y'all. Ain't nothing change, y'all. Come on now. Can't sit here and stare at me, y'all. You gotta represent. You did, you thumbs up or something. I don't care. You hit thumbs up and just stare at me, y'all. Cheers. I ain't tripping. What's the day? Oh, tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, regular day. Whew, but say y'all, Friday? I mean, my Saturday? Zoo. All day. Shit. Oh, yeah, everybody. Make the money, don't let it make y'all. You did? Say y'all. It's going down, y'all. It's like we got some new coming. Y'all already saw the new one I got. Ross Martin. I can't wait to hear all this hating coming. I'm gonna drop old boy content like, what is you talking about? But yeah, y'all, all my subscribers, y'all, please, prick it, please be safe. 'Cause the haters be want to stop us, y'all. Say, no, 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 no. We finna get this. So I appreciate everybody on this live, y'all. What time? Oh, 11 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, smoking my kush.